Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so glad that you're here with me today. And today's video is not going to be about any specific tutorials or tips relating to cold artistic skills, but I really believe that this is just as important as developing those cold skills for you to succeed as an artist and keep that success going throughout the years. So today I'm going to talk about developing a positive mindset so that you're able to stay happy and productive throughout your artistic path. Now, this is very important because, let's be honest, if you're not happy, you're not going to produce enough work. If you don't produce enough work, you're never going to get to the skill level that you want to be at. And if you never get to that skill level, you're never going to succeed. I created my blog and this YouTube channel not only to share my knowledge of specific techniques and art mediums, but also in order to encourage you, because I know how difficult an artist's life can be. So whether you've just found art and you really want to dedicate the rest of your life to it, and maybe people around you are trying to steer you off that path because they are telling you that it's not the safe way to go, or maybe you've just started an art major in university and are just starting to receive those first sets of criticisms from classmates and professors, or maybe you are already in a full-time job that has nothing to do with art, but you always have wanted to pursue art and are just waiting every day, like every hour that you're in that job, to get home and draw and paint. Or maybe you're even a professional artist already and are running into difficulties when you're trying to keep up that success. You know, you always have so much competition around you. So whatever point you are in your journey, developing these tools, these positive mindsets are just going to help you so much. A couple of years ago, I started reading a lot of self-help books and listening to speeches of very knowledgeable people, and I started to learn how much what you have in your mind affects your mood and your overall productivity throughout your day. And I learned about positive affirmations, and so a couple of weeks ago I decided to write down 10 positive affirmations specifically for artists. So in this next time lapse, you're going to see me paint a watercolor flower, and I'm also going to be sharing these 10 affirmations with you. Let's get into it. Whoever has been an artist for some time can definitely attest to the fact that being an artist can be tough at a mental level. It can be a lonely path because in most cases, you and you alone are responsible for your artistic progress, for producing and marketing your work, for selling your work, and also for staying on top of all of the practical aspects of maintaining a business. You absolutely 100% have to believe in what you have to offer and be your own cheerleader in hard times, even when you feel like you'll never be recognized in a sea of amazingly talented artists. A while ago, I learned about something called positive affirmations. And while I'm definitely skeptical about things like the law of attraction, I know how powerful the human mind is and how what we think impacts our daily actions. So in a nutshell, positive daily affirmations are short, concise statements that are stated in the present tense and are directly related with our life goals. And the idea here is that by repeating them over and over every day, your subconscious mind is going to start believing these things. More and more, you're going to be able to say these affirmations with greater confidence, and they will become your new truth. As artists, if we approach a new piece thinking that we're going to fail, we're probably going to fail. So it's best to do whatever we can to stay positive so that we can enjoy our journeys a lot more and progress faster. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and read you the 10 daily affirmations that I wrote specifically for artists. Number 1, I fully accept myself and know that I am worthy of achieving great things in life. Number 2, the artist is already present within me. Number 3, I trust I am exactly where I need to be in my artistic journey. Number 4, I do not seek perfection but progress and view my mistakes as a sign of exploration and growth. Number 5, the only person I compare myself to is who I was yesterday. Number 6, I have unlimited creativity and the ability to create something meaningful. Number 7, I am proud of my work and its wonderfully unique characteristics. Number 8, through hard work and determination, I am progressing my artistic skills every single day. Number 9, I am becoming a brilliant artist and will be persistent as I pursue my passion. And number 10, with my art, I am inspiring others and impacting lives. If you'd like to download a free PDF of these 10 affirmations so that you can have them present and remind yourself to go over them every single day, you can go and check this PDF out at my blog at ericalancaster.com in the blog post directly related to this video. I'll make sure to leave a link below in the description box so you can go and check that out. Okay guys, that's it for now. I'm on my way out the door to go and teach some art classes. I really hope that you give these affirmations a try. Try them every morning for a month and see what happens. I'd love to hear about it. And I really wish you the best and encourage you to keep going in your artistic path. I will be here to help you with whatever I can. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'm gonna leave a lot of information down below in the description box. And yeah, that's it for now. Bye!